Hi all. In the previous videos, we have discussed about public revenue and public expenditure. Today, we will be learning about public debt. Public debt is the total amount including the total liabilities borrowed by the government to meet its development budget. The public debt is how much a country owes to lenders and outside of itself. This can include individuals, businesses, and even other governments. In other words, whenever there is a shortfall in the revenue of the government, it borrows the money from institutions, states, or other countries. These borrowings are known as public debt. Features: it is the amount borrowed by the external agencies, institutions, or other countries. It is borrowed when government has a shortfall in the revenue. It is borrowed to meet its operational and developmental expenditure. Type of public debt. Internal debt. When a government borrows from its own citizens by selling bonds or long-term credit instruments, uh, an internal debt is created. External debt. It refers to money borrowed from a source outside the country. External debt must be paid back in currency in which it is borrowed. Sources of public debt. Dated government securities, treasury bills or T-bills, external assistance, and short-term borrowings. Advantages of public debt. Meeting wartime expenditure. Any expenditure arising when war takes place can be met by public debt. Fighting against contingencies. Contingencies are uncalled situations that need a lot of money to fight against them. It might be flood, famine, drought, etc. To tackle the emergencies, the government borrows the money. Coping with depression. Depression is a part of cycle where prices of goods and services fall, unemployment rises, etc. At that time, public debt can be utilized to overcome depression. Financing developmental projects. When the government is unable to collect required revenue through various sources to finance development projects, it can go for public debt. Providing social services. Apart from financing development projects, it is beneficial for social services as well. Containing inflationary pressure. Under public debt, the government borrows money from public, which reduces the circulation of money in the hands of people, in turn keeps the inflation under control. Advantages to the investors. As the investors are investing in the bonds issued by the government, investors will feel safe as they would be investing in government securities where the principal and returns are guaranteed by the government. Finance to public enterprises. The government borrows funds from the public and finances them towards their capital to facilitate them to undertake projects. Disadvantages. Higher interest payment. As the government borrows from the public, the government may issue higher interest rate bonds to attract the investors. Increase in tax rate. To repay the debt, government may increase the rate of tax to increase the revenue to repay the debt. Outflow of economic resources. External debts lead to outflow of economic resources. In other words, to repay external debt, the economic resources will be utilized for their repayment rather than for the public or country. Investment in external projects. And external debt while lending, if the lending country imposes any condition to purchase their goods or services, then the government must unwillingly invest in external goods and services, which will be lost to our country. These are the features of public debt and their advantages and disadvantages. We will be learning more about the elements of public debt in upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.